Alright traders, welcome back to another live trading session. So, today's been a crazy day already. The market has pretty much gone straight up since yesterday. We are way out of the VWAP second standard deviation bands. Well, now we're back in. So let's go over the morning game plan. So today, the game plan is essentially just go with the flow. Because we're at all-time highs. This is what I said. Today's morning game plan is basically just go with the flow. We are at all-time highs and seeing insane buying pressure with no levels of resistance to target off of or go against. Because of this, I'm just going to go off the momentum of the 1 minute chart. If we start shooting down, I will look for bearish order zones. If we continue to trend higher, I will look for bullish order zones. If we do get a bearish setup, I will try to hold it for longer than normal as we still have the gap to fill down. Okay, so basically, my bias is slightly short, at least not bias, but maybe my preference. I would like to be more short. Because we do have this gap all the way down here that if the market really wanted to, we could see a monster down day, go and fill that gap, or at least go and retest that gap before any other moves higher. And when we look at the buying pressure on this hourly chart, you can see that it's just very, very slow buying. It's very slow and steady, which means that once this thing does give out and people start profit taking and all that, it should move relatively quickly, right? So the market moves up slowly but crashes fast. So that's why I'm slightly short bias, is because you can see how tiny these candles are. There's no volatility, but it's just straight up buying. So we're going to probably have a day of expansion downwards, and so that's what I'm looking for. All right, so slightly short bias today, but I'm not going to just blindly short. I need to wait for the actual short setup, the bearish order zone, to form first before I even consider that. So right now what I'm seeing is a V-top shape. You don't want to fight the V, so I'd actually be okay with going short on this leg here. In fact, we're kind of close. Yep. There's a bearish order zone right there, and I might take that. Let's see. Come on. Do we have orders there? Damn. This is, no. Nope. I honestly, I may have taken that if I didn't catch it late, so I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I caught it a little bit late. So that zone is looking a little bit in danger, so I'm not going to really look at it. Although, now it's swept these highs. I think I'm going to take it. Fuck. Okay, stopped out. Oh, that was stupid. All right, small loss. We move. Let me get a screenshot of this, actually. First loser in quite a while. And of course, it's on a day like today. You can just feel it in the air. Struggling here. I'm going to take it again. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, stop that again. Holy shit. Okay. Wow, this reminds me of like terrible summer trading. All right, let's get off this 15-second chart. It really looked like it was going to take a nosedive there and then just right back up. Okay. All right, all right, all right. Oh, no. I may have been too greedy with that one. Looks like 26,030 was the level. Fuck, man. Like I said, you can just feel it in the air. Fuck. That would have been big. All right. Went into the zone. I just wanted it a little bit lower. Oh my god. This is looking like it might go to full stops here. I need a wicked reaction. My entry is vulnerable, and now we're just chopping around my entry point. So it's like I literally can't do anything. I can't go to break even. I can't really tighten my stops. It's literally just toying with me right now. Okay. Oh, what a day! What a day! All right, stopped out there. I moved my stop loss a little bit there. Now it's really going. Oh no, do I rebuy? I think I gotta rebuy. All right, guys. I'm not proud of this one. I rebought. And if this trade works out, I'm still going to slap myself on the wrist because I definitely should not be trading right now. If it loses, then that's what I deserve. Because I'm definitely just acting off of a little bit of emotion here. It also doesn't help that I'm trading on bigger size today, so I'm like, I want to... This seems to be a common theme. It's like, whenever I size up, whenever I start, like, I'm like, okay, I went green 8 days in a row. Let me increase my size a little bit because, clearly whatever I'm doing is working. And then I'll have a losing day. And then I'm like, the first loss on the bigger size makes you just want to keep trading, right? It just makes you want to keep going after, make your money back. So let's see if I can survive this. Really need to move away from here. It's Still just putting me in a weird position. Right back down. Oh my god. All right. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I just need to get out of this. 30 seconds left. It's going right to lows. Wow, today's really bad for me. Really disappointed in myself. It's right at that VWAP. I mean, is that VWAP gonna hold? My stop loss is right below that VWAP, man. I don't really have much hope here. Yeah, here we go. Boom. All right. Big losing day for me. Man, I did so much wrong today. I did so much wrong. It's really gonna bother me all day now. And yeah, all right. I'm gonna have to review today. See exactly what I did wrong. Really disappointed in myself. That at the least should have been a break-even trade. I just hung on to it like a freaking scared puppy, man. It's embarrassing. So minus 285 on my Apex accounts. On my Legends account, minus 576. That is ridiculous. Of course, on a day where I'm trading bigger size, dude, it always happens that way. You size up, and that's when you fucking take 6 losses in a row. It's crazy. So today I took 1, 2, 3, 4 losses in a row. Mind you, I've had an 80% win rate prior to today, and then you hit 4 losses in a row. God, dude. All right, well, guys, I'm going to really need you to use code SimpleTrader at Take Profit Trader for 40% off, and code ST at Apex Trader Funding if you want 80% off. I'm going to go and review and probably just stare at charts for the rest of the day, figuring out what I did wrong. I mean, I know what I did wrong. Bearish order zone up here. I literally said if this order zone was going to play out, we're going to go all the way down to VWAP, and I just kept trying to buy it. I don't know why. Maybe because it's all-time highs. That's why I don't like trading all-time highs. It's just like you get stuck long, and then there comes the day where it's just straight downtrend for the entire day. But it is what it is, man. It's just me messing up. It's not the strategy. There should have been honestly a really green day. I mean, this was a perfect trade down here that I just missed by a few points. Tried getting short up here and got stopped out at the top. I mean, it's just like really unfortunate day. All right, but you know what? It happens. I always tend to come back from these things, so it's just a matter of time. I'm going to keep trading this size because I want to get used to trading bigger size, and I'm going to, I should be able to make it back in just a few trades. Just got to get realigned with what the market wants to do. Today, it was shorts all day from this bearish order zone. That was the trade to be taking, and I just ignored it, and I tried buying. That pisses me off. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.